In today's video, I'll show you how to insert an animation video into Leadpages in just a few minutes. Since Leadpages doesn't directly host video files, the video needs to be uploaded to a video platform first. Start by uploading your animation video to YouTube. Click the upload icon, select your video file, and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the video is live, click the share button below it and choose the embed option. Copy the embed code as you'll need it next. Now log into your Leadpages account and open the landing page where you want the video to appear. You can either edit an existing page or create a new one. Inside the page editor, find the video widget and drag it onto your page where you want the animation video to show. Click the pencil icon on the video widget to open the settings. Here, paste the YouTube embed code you copied earlier. If you prefer, you can also paste the YouTube video URL instead. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Preview your page to make sure the animation video displays correctly and plays smoothly. That's it. You've successfully added an animation video to your Leadpages landing page, making it more engaging and visually appealing for your visitors.